So, hello to My Car's Broken, episode 1. So the problem of owning two cars is you get breakdowns and things going wrong more frequently than if you just had the one. So at the moment, the spark is so weak on the midget that it doesn't want to run after replacing its distributor cap, coil, HT leads. It's not working. I'm going to replace the condenser next and we'll see what happens. But here, this is not selecting where to put the heat anymore. So it's just come disconnected from the cable inside here, which I can actually easily fix. So let's do that. There we go. We'll put that there. You see there's these two star bolts. And let's hope that's the right fitting, because yeah, it is. And just riveting footage on this channel. Would have been a better pun if that was a rivet, but yeah. And to screw this, there's going to be a jump cut. Right, so now we've got those out. This thing should come out. Seems like the trim's come off as well, but that doesn't really matter. I'll take that off threes. Right, I might have to use two hands for this, so jump cut to where I've taken that out. And here we go, just a little bit of brute force ignorance to get that out. Let's get rid of some of this dust, because, well, I hope not to be in here again. You've got to be gentle with the heater controls on these, and well, I wasn't recently. So if you can see down here, this little springy thing isn't on this, which is the thing that's moved when you want to do certain things. So if we pull on it and get it back to where it should be. Ooh. Now you can see that when I move the control, it moves the wire for the control. And it's just when you're on this setting here, which is your windscreen, if you push it too far over, it comes off the end. So you just got to be wary of that with your Smart Roadster. Now, of course, to either put it all back or check it's working. One of the two. Probably the sensible one to do would be check it's working. So let's do that. Keys. Oh, it's not happy with me because I've... There we go. We'll say we want it warm, because why not? We got fan on the windscreen at the moment, which is what we had before. A bit on the feet and a bit on the windscreen. Yeah. Not on the windscreen. On your feet. Yep. On you, or well, check the middle one. And on your feet, yep. And just on you. It's working. Cool. Time to put it all back together then. Thank you for watching that video. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming up. If you want to continue watching, there's 2 videos here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!